Introduction to TMJ in 60 seconds. Temporomandibular joint is a type of synovial condylar joint which has articulating surface between head of mandible and temporal bone. The head of mandible articulates in the mandibular fossa of temporal bone. Anteriorly, it is bounded by tubercle of root of zygoma and posteriorly has a non-articulating tympanic plate. Since we have talked about the joint, we need something to pull these joints together, and that is when the ligaments come into action. Now, we only need to remember names of two ligaments. First is fibrous capsule from tubercle to neck of mandible, and a lateral temporomandibular ligament whose function is to strengthen the fibrous capsule. Anteriorly, we have spine of sphenoid and posteriorly styloid process. Anteriorly arises sphenomandibular ligament, which is laterally bounded by lateral pterygoid, auriculotemporal nerve, and maxillary artery. And posteriorly, from styloid to maxilla, we have stylomandibular ligament, whose function is to separate parotid from submandibular gland. Now, I want you to draw a rectangle, circle, followed by again a rectangle, circle, and a triangle. And this is how you remember the parts of articulating disc, which is anterior region, anterior band, intermediate region, posterior band, upper and lower lamina containing plexus. This articulating disc divides a joint into upper meniscotemporal and lower meniscomandibular compartment, whose function is to prevent friction between articulating surfaces and acts as a shock absorber.